Hi, Erica McClain here, your go-to real estate expert in the northwest side of Chicago and surrounding suburbs. If you're buying a home, you probably know it is not an overnight process. But did you know that some common mistakes can make the process take even longer than necessary? Today, I'm breaking down 8 common buyer mistakes that can drag out your home buying journey and how to avoid them. A lot of buyers think they should wait until they're serious before hiring an agent. But here's the truth: browsing listings online or wandering into open houses without professional guidance can waste months of your time. An agent helps you get focused, avoid rookie mistakes, and streamline the process from the start. If you're even thinking about buying, let's talk. Okay, picture this. You find your dream home, but when you go to make an offer, you're not pre approved. By the time you secure financing, the home's gone. Getting pre approved before you start house hunting not only speeds up the process, but also makes you a stronger buyer in a very competitive market. It's easy to fall in love with homes that are slightly above your budget, but trust me, it only leads to frustration. Unless you know a seller is willing to negotiate, looking outside your budget just wastes time and sets unrealistic expectations. Stay focused on what you can afford, because also looking above your budget, then looking at homes at your budget, you're always going to think about those other homes and it'll be almost impossible to find something that you like. Indecision is a time killer. Some buyers second guess every home, worrying that something better might hit the market next week. But if you find a home that checks all your boxes, don't hesitate, especially in a competitive market. Great homes don't wait around. If family input is important to you, especially if they're helping financially, make sure they're involved early in the process. If they see only one home and aren't aware of all of the other options you've considered, they may throw a wrench in your plans at the last minute, sending you right back to square one. Because if they do have an influence on what you're purchasing and you're only showing them the house that you decided on, they have no idea of all the other homes that you looked at and why this one is the best fit for you. Negotiation is part of the game, but throwing out lowball offers in a competitive market will only lead to rejection and wasted time. A strong strategic offer increases your chances of getting the home you want without any unnecessary delays. Once you're under contract, every deadline matters. Mortgage documents, inspections, responses, delays at all on your end can slow everything down and even risk the deal falling through. You need to stay proactive and on top of all paperwork to keep the process moving smoothly. If you delay something and They have to ask for an extension on your mortgage contingency. The seller could simply say no, and your contract could be null and void. No home is perfect, not even the new ones. A home inspection might reveal minor issues, but don't let small things like a leaky faucet or peeling paint send you running. Instead of restarting your home search over tiny repairs, work with your agent to negotiate or plan for fixes down the road. Because when you back out, no house is going to be perfect. An inspector is always, always, always going to find something. If they're minor issues, you back out. Not only do you start all over, now you're paying for another home inspection on the next house, along with wasting time. So there you have it. 8 common mistakes that can slow down your home buying journey. The good news, avoiding them can help you get into your new home faster and with a lot less stress. So if you're thinking about buying, don't wait. Reach out to me today. I can help you navigate the process and avoid these costly delays. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment below with any questions, and I hope to see you in the next video. But otherwise, I'll say bye for now.